My son just bought a house and all his drains are backing up. His tub is full, his toilet wouldn't flush, and all of his other drains are backing up. So we're gonna start off by trying to use a power snake, and hopefully we can break loose whatever's plugging it up. But it was a pretty drastic backup all of a sudden, so I'm not very hopeful. We wonder if there might be some tree roots or something that's finally closed off the lateral that runs from the house to the street. So we're gonna be investigating that today. Hopefully getting lucky by using the snake, but if not, we'll be digging up the whole pipe all the way to the street. When Zach bought the house, the past owner said that he had replaced this lateral because he had tree roots in it, and he'd all put a new line in, and so there should be no issues. But I kind of wondered when I saw the driveway. Apparently the lateral goes across the driveway at an angle, and I noticed there was no fresh cement. Kind of concerned that that had actually not been done. So here's the scene. We have the clean out here. The sewer line comes from to the edge of the house and goes through the foundation, and comes this clean out. And we just ran this power snake down here. And so far we hit a spot where we couldn't go any farther with all this line out. And we pulled back some roots. So we're gonna run it again here once we get this cleaned out. The line apparently goes right here, right across the driveway there. So we're gonna see how far our line goes, how far we've gotten so far, and hopefully we're on the other side of that driveway. Do you want a trash can over here so I can throw this directly in there? See, I think it almost goes more that direction right there.
Under the driveway?
Yeah, more at a longer angle here.
In front of my car?
Yeah, more towards like the bumper of your car. Based on that right there. So maybe more like that. So yeah, maybe even more straighter than that. Let's run it back down. Especially because we'll make sure it's good shape. But what's wrong on this driveway? I don't know if I want to do that. You ready?
Yep, here we go.
It feels like we got some stuff.
There's still water.
Still some water backing up from this here. Okay, let's stop for a minute.
For a bit?
Yeah. So, the way this machine works, and we're not experts, but we started off with a spade bit, and this is in an attempt to at least punch through the center of whatever root mess we have in there. This switch here is an air control switch, so when you tap on it, it turns the electric motor on.
A vacuum switch.
A vacuum switch, and when you press it, it turns the motor on. And you've got two directions, forward and reverse. So if you get stuck into something, you could flip the switch down and bump it to maybe break it loose. And then yeah, you just manually feed the line out, and it tries to kind of corkscrew through what you're trying to break out. This piece here, you can put on the end of it to get around a tight corner if this won't make it, but to me, is this as flexible as this would be. So we're gonna go to the root cutter because we're not making any headway right now, and maybe that'll chew some of those roots out of there. This has some teeth on it, so the idea is that it can chew through the roots. So we'll see how that goes. So this looks to me, oh, that pin there. Do we just push it? Yeah, I think you just push it in.
Yep, and then twist it.
Oh, and then yep, okay, yeah, that makes sense. Yep.
Nothing here. Do it again. Yeah, here we go with the other tip. Seeing if we can catch the root system. Here we go.
I think I actually fed it in some. That's a good thing. Just tighten this down so I don't pull extra out while I'm trying to shove this down. Okay. Ooh. Holy cow, dude. That was a good sign. It just like
gave.
Yeah. Okay, keep going. No water in the bottom either.
Really?
You might have got lucky.
That's a good sign.
That is a good sign. We're gonna pull it back up.
See if we got roots on it.
Yep. I want to see before we dump it into the main sewer or anything.
Oh, come on.
It's a good situation for you because we got through.
I don't see a bunch of mud on there though.
That's good. And it doesn't take much of a hole for a bunch of roots can grow. Okay, we're gonna run this one more time down there as far as we can and just make sure things are cleaned out as much as possible. But that was a really good thing. How much did they charge you to rent this?
I do believe I got this for 48 bucks. It's a lot cheaper than paying hundreds of dollars for a plumber to come out and do this. So if you're going to be able to do that, you're going to save a lot of money.
And this is a real common problem with sewer lines. It gets a little compromised spot, a crack, or a place where the pipes don't come together quite right, and the little root gets in there and it just starts growing within the pipe. So if you got patience to run one of these for a while, I mean, we've been working on it maybe less than half an hour for sure, and we're already through, I think. So not saying that would work for every situation, because if you have a ton of roots, it might take you for hours and hours, or you may have a huge root in there that you can't get through. But
what we're probably having is this tree causing roots to go into the pipe, just causing a root mass to form. But if you have big trees like this and they look great, I just expect this to happen
eventually.
Eventually.
Okay, give me some power. All right, I think we're well into the street. So we're gonna stop and we're gonna tighten this down so we don't pull any more out, and we're gonna pull this out and see how far out we are to see if we've accomplished what we're after.
Oh yeah. I would say
We're good. So have Quincy
run water.
got your knife. I'm gonna switch
I'm gonna run. I'm flushing everything in this house.
Yeah, turn the sinks on first and then do that. All right, he's gonna do a test. We filled up the tub and he's gonna turn on all the sinks, and we're gonna turn it all on and see how much water we can get coming through here and see if it backs up. Looking good. Well guys, hope you got something out of this today. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe for more. And if you like this particular video, check out this video right here where I had to dig up my whole yard recently. Until next time, good luck with all your projects.